The world breaks everyone, and afterward, the one who stands at the broken places is the greatest one. This word by Ernest Hemingway describes my journey that I have learned, describes my journey from what I have learned. Good morning, everyone. To our principal, esteemed judges, respected teachers, and my fellow mates. I am Pranika Datta of class 12B. I want to share a part of my life that life gave me the lesson of. Like when I was in class 11th, everything was going smoothly. I was focusing on my studies. I had new expectations, new pressure, new subjects. I was excited for every little bit of thing. But life had other plans for me. Suddenly, before my final exams, within 6 months, I lost 4 people of my own family. 4 people I loved deeply. It was so overwhelming, and I can't even explain how I felt back then. I remember the silence in my house, the kind of silence that can make you forget what laughter sounds like. It was the moment where I lost focus. I couldn't concentrate in my studies anymore. Final exams were near, and I was thinking, what should I do now? How am I supposed to focus on my studies? I thought I will ace the exams, and now I am in a situation where I can do nothing but sit and procrastinate everything and overthink everything. But suddenly, a voice inside of me whispered, you can't do it. Don't stop right now. If you stop now, the dream of becoming CA Pranika Datta stops now too. You have to wake up and follow your dreams. I studied hard. I gave my everything and gave high priority to only study. I had sleepless nights and morning exams. Within all that, I managed my family time to give my family time because everyone were in grief. Like they were not. How should I explain that they were in deep grief? That we all used to be silent and we couldn't even talk to each other without any quotes without any talk about grief. But then, after the results came, on my result, I saw I have ranked second position in my class. On that day, I didn't just see marks on my results. I saw resilience. Resilience is not about ignoring your pain. It's about facing your problem. Stand still even when your life is falling apart. And that's when strength comes in. Strength taught me that you can be calm even in chaos. You can find success in calm, but in chaos. And I still remember Tarak sir calling me and said, "Hey, you are on the rankers board. Congratulations!" I was happier than ever. I finally made it. I felt like my heart was paid off. Then another session started. I moved to class 12th, and I decided that I'm going to give my best. I will make my parents proud. But again, something happened. Something much more miserable. Life has always tested me and threw challenges at me. It was like life was checking if I am serious about anything or not. Because during my half-yearly exams, on the day of my first paper, my father met with an accident. That was a moment my world fell apart. I couldn't concentrate once again. I once again felt that pain coming back to me. I didn't know what to do anymore. Even my mother used to be at the hospital all the time. I used to be alone at my home and had sleepless nights, early morning exams, and I was always so exhausted from my thoughts that I couldn't even adjust time for my studies. studies. But once again, that same small voice whispered me, you have been through this. You can handle this one too. And again, once again, I studied hard. Not because I wasn't hurting, it was because I was. And I can't let pain win over me. I can't let pain define me. So I studied again. And afterwards, again, my results came. I took the result in my hand, and Shalom gave me a big smile and said, "You have topped the exams this time." And again, that same happiness. Again, felt that same happiness. Everything I felt had paid off. My efforts paid off. My routine paid off. Every single moment I took time and to improve myself paid off. And I realized something. Sometimes pain can not just punish you, but can also polish you. Polish you to become the best. Throughout all these, I've mentioned three most important words. So those words are first resilience, strength, and the other word is persistence. These three words are the key to survive any struggle and any kind of pain you are going through. Because resilience taught me to stand still even when your world is falling apart. Strength taught me that you can be calm even in chaos. And persistence taught me to believe in myself, to focus on my goal, not to just distract and go procrastinate everything. Procrastination is about continuing your efforts till you achieve your goals. I focused on those three words the most. And here I am standing you like a class topper with rank 1 this half yearly report. And I would like to give a small little extra gyan, that is, don't give pain time. Time is too expensive to give pain time. Keep yourself busy. Keeping yourself busy is the key that you can not just ignore pain, but you can pass through it. Like I have always kept myself busy. My schedule goes like I wake up at 7, freshen up, pray to the God, go to the school, and come back home. After coming back home, I am all set to teach few children as I am a tutor. I manage it all within my day. And after teaching them, having my lunch at 4 because I don't get much time. And after all those, I rush to all my 3 tuition classes. Coming back home, I rest for half an hour and again goes back to my self-study time. I studied till 12 p.m. mostly and my days repeat itself. I have kept myself this busy and I don't use phone that much to give time because I know whenever I will be free, I might overthink all my those past days and try to remember those pain that I have overcome because the grief is still in my heart. I can ignore the grief because I have lost people whom I have loved. And even my father is now proud that even during those hospital visits, I still managed to secure the first rank. And he is the true inspiration I have. That's all I would like to say. But one more thing. These 3 words, don't take it like a joke. These 3 words may sound like so easy to I just said and you all just listen, but no. When you will know the meaning of these 3 words truly during your life experiences, you will learn how life is cruel, but you can be much more crueler to life. Thank you.